missing gas, is it?
They don't even have brake lights.
Myilya.
Look at this. No brake lights. Nothing.
That's nice.
Wow.
Get it problem.
That's serious. No brake lights whatsoever.